Hello, my name is Ricardo. For my MAE 52 project, I modeled my childhood favorite car, a Porsche Carrera 4S. The curvature on this car was by far the most difficult part of the project. However, after discovering the boundary fill surface tool and learning to properly use the boundary surface tool, the process became much more doable. With more than 100 3D splines and over 70 hours of very fun work, I was able to model all her fancy curves. But I didn't stop there. Porsches are very well known for their great handling, so I wanted to model that in my project, which led me to making a 4-part coilover system for the rear axle. The hydraulic coilover system is actually able to expand and compress as it would on a car. I went on to model what an actual rim and tire would look like. However, since this is a sports car, I decided to make my rims and axle a center lock system. This system was attached to my coilovers using a makeshift support that for the time being is representing more detailed suspension components like the upper and lower control arms, and sway bar for the car. With all these components in place, I would have a very stable car to take to the track on the weekends. A major component of this coilover system is the coil. Therefore, I ran a stress test on one of the coils. This stress test gave me a maximum displacement of 177 millimeters and a minimum displacement of just about 0, which means that this coilover system would not displace very much and it could hold a larger force. Furthermore, I ran a stress test on it, which also proved the same thing.